Welcome back to Only Cans. In this series, susubukan natin gumawa ng easy, delicious meals kung saan bida ang mga delata. I spent less than 150 pesos making one of my favorites, an ultimate comfort food from my childhood. Red sardines na may miswa and upo, just like how my mom would always make it for us. Mas na-appreciate ko na tong dish na to habang tumatanda ako kasi sobrang comforting, sobrang sarap with rice, lalo na kung extra spicy gagawin mo. Ang laki ng upo na nabili ko, so I'm only using half of this, cut lang into smaller pieces. Dati ayoko talaga ng upo, pinipili ko pa yung maninipis lang na cuts, but I grew to love it. Nag-mature na tayo. Wah, nag-mature. And ngayon gusto ko medyo thick na yung cuts para hindi malasog habang niluluto. I also chopped up some garlic and a whole onion for sauteing. Then ayan, gigisa lang natin yung bawang sibuyas sa mainat na mantika. Papulahin ng konti, then pwede na rin i-add yung upo. Rose bowl girly talaga ako, but as usual out of stock, so saba na lang kinuha ko, and my gosh, sobrang sarap and chunky din pala nito. Yung white version lang kasi lagi namin binibili sa Saba, pero mukhang magiging go-to na rin tong red sardines nila. So, in-add ko lang yung 2 cans of sardines, about 4 cans of water, and I prefer removing the bones, but this is up to you. Dinurog-durog ng konti, pero may bigger chunks pa din for a good bite, and add the following ingredients. Finally, pwede na natin i-add yung miswa, pero guys, wag nyo kayahin siguro yung ganito kadami na miswa ha. Sobrang mag-expand and dadami pa yan once naluto kasi grabe mag-absorb ng liquid. So, add ng water niyan kasi di ko talaga natansya. Still, this was pretty good. We like it super spicy, so madaming sili, and that's it. Enjoy!